How to change Facebook password. If any day you are a Facebook user and you would like to change your Facebook password, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch your Facebook application. For that, you have to tap on Facebook like this. After you tap on Facebook like this, Facebook will be launched on your mobile device. After that, now you have to go to your profile like icon on the top and then tap on the option of settings and privacy. After that, you have to go to the option of settings, and when you tap on the option of settings, now it will take you to an interface like this. Here you have to tap on the option of password and security. After tapping on the password and security, in the top icon, you can see the option of change the password. Now here you can tap on that and tap on your Facebook here. And then here you can tap on your current password, your new password and retype your new password and then tap on change the password, which will help you to change your password. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.